Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba Prestone tensong mentakasngi khat sautre ubnai nok pra arajar arpuar habakren berkilat pathai khubor ulaong bahaga por bo Dr. Mukul sangma udang long Menteri Rangba kejela upersya ya ke ILP bat umjus ngap yano uba tensong ula bu jingkeli kumno mentapat ba usyong hakal yang persya ula kenthok kela ya ke sarkar Halor kani Kai ka bapenong yu uban keren kumni minchwa upersya henry menta ukren da kumway pat tang nakadaw ba usyong hakal yang persya nakal yang jong ba tensong ulaong ay bagi Paidbah ka jela kin Bishar Halor kani bat kin tip ya ka Jinglong jong u hakabaya day bat kani kamat ulaong ru ba hakato ka por ba udang don haka sang kongres ba uday ru menteri ka sarkar Badhapo ke kabinet u Dr. Mukul sangma Ukrainsya bangim don kam ni ka ILP bat ngami no na ka kongres namar ka day na ka daw jong u la bendrap ubat tensong.
Surprise. The very same person that time when he was the chief minister of Meghalaya, he was the one who was deadly against implementation of ILP. And again now he sing different tune just because he became leader of opposition. So I think you need to ask from Dr. Mukul Sangma, what is wrong with you? At that point of time, you are deadly against implementation of ILP. And what happened now, just because you sitting opposite the treasury bench, you saying again, we need ILP. So let people of Meghalaya judge and let people of Meghalaya also find out his true color on this particular issue. Why I left Congress Party, you need to understand one thing. That time I was minister, I was part of it. That's what I said because he himself said, we don't need ILP. That's what I'm saying confidently because he himself, he said in the cabinet 100 times, we don't need ILP. Because I was part of the government. And then ultimately why I came out, I resigned from Congress is because of him.
So you're saying that back then you were in favor of ILP, but then because of Dr. Mukul not...
He was a dictator. So we can't speak anything. And you guys also knew it well. So therefore, no need to talk about that. But my statement stands. And my question to Dr. Mukul Sangma being the leader of opposition is, why at that point of time you said very clearly no ILP and you knew it that time law and order problem has already started crop up with so many NGOs and then now why did you again the very same person says we need ILP?